Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2014 Triumph Bonneville T100. This cruiser has just under 1,400 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. They've got this Bonneville set up as a solo rider. So with the low miles on it, the tires are still in good shape. They've added a headlight cowl and bar end mirrors. They've wrapped the pipes, the headers up to the mid pipe. They've also put rear sets on it. And as you can see, there's no passenger pegs, but there is a seat under the cowl. Same with the rear tire, good shape, plenty of life left in that. Rear sets and the wrapped headers, and again our bar and mirror. All right. Those miles here now. I'm gonna put the camera down here. This 2014 Triumph Bonneville T100 will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.